The Assistant, explaining technology simply. Keypad. When typing up a message to someone with your device, you will need to use the keypad to enter in the contact's name or number in the top bar here, as well as the message you want to send in this bar here. When you are ready to send the message, press the Send button. If you need to make any changes, press the Delete button to erase what you want to get rid of. Pressing the Shift button will change the letters on the keypad between capital and undercase lettering. Press the ABC or 1, 2, 3 button to switch between letters and numbers on the keypad. Use the spacebar button to create spaces within your messages. Tap and hold on the punctuation button to the right of the spacebar to access any necessary punctuation. Release your finger on the punctuation you'd like to use. Now you can use your keypad to type up a message to someone.